Hey, it's me.
Who?
It's me.
Me who?
I'm pregnant.
Who?
I'm pregnant.
I can't even hear. Hold on, lower down real quick. What happened?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yeah.
What is this?
I wanted you to be the first one to know.
Who is this?
You know who this is?
I do not know who this is.
Anthony.
Yes, this is Anthony, but who's this?
I'm pregnant.
Who are you?
You know who this is.
Well, I'm definitely not the baby daddy. Take me to Maury or some shit.
Oh, I know you're not the baby daddy, but I just wanted you to know first.
Okay, well, who are you then?
You know who this is.
I do not know who this is.
Anthony, stop playing around.
I'm not playing around whatsoever. Can you just tell me your name so I can get on with my life?
I just wanted to let you know that I'm pregnant. I wanted you to be the first one to know. Don't tell anybody yet because I'm going to tell them later.
Okay, why do I have to be the first one to know?
Because I told you that if I ever got pregnant that I would tell you first.
Don't remember that.
How can you not remember that?
Because I'm a pothead, bro.
Well, that's not good.
Can you just tell me who this is?
I'm pregnant.
Okay, I understand you're pregnant. Just tell me who you are.
You know, Anthony. You know who this is.